Good morning, everyone. My name is Giacomo Zara, and I'm here to present our work, The Unreasonable Effectiveness of Large Language and Vision Models for Source-Free Video Domain Adaptation, carried out by myself, Alessandro Conti, Subanca Roy, Stéphane Latoulier, Paolo Rota, and Elisa Ricci. The underlying task that we address is unsupervised video domain adaptation, consisting of adapting a model trained on a source domain to a new, different, unlabeled target domain, which, according to the case, may present a challenging visual gap with the source data, with respect to a number of different factors, including lighting, environment, occlusion, camera position, and resolution. In our work, we address a specific case of this scenario in which we drop the assumption of being able to directly access source data, and only assume to be provided with an action classification model that has previously been trained on the source domain. This task is generally addressed in previous works by proposing a fine-tuning process of the source model on the unlabeled target data, usually by means of a self-supervised loss. The issue with this approach is that potentially useful information derived from the source domain might be overwritten during this process. An alternative approach would consist of exploiting the newly advanced vision and language models, such as CLIP, in an off-the-shelf inference fashion, leveraging their generalization capabilities. This has the advantage of not needing any kind of training, but it also has the disadvantage of not leveraging any potential useful knowledge from either domain. The general intuition behind our proposed solution consists in combining these two approaches by leveraging their complementarity through a simple but effective distillation process, only training a simple adapter on top of the frozen clip encoder. The starting point of our proposed approach consists of an adapter that has previously been trained on source data by means of a standard supervised language and vision loss. In the adaptation phase, we carry out a fine-tuning process of a new target adapter by using pseudo-labels produced by the zero-shot clip model. Finally, in the distillation phase, we propose to use the ensemble of source adapter, the newly learned target adapter, and the zero-shot clip model as teachers. We train our final student adapter, which will eventually be used for the inference on the target domain, on top of a ResNet-based clip encoder. We propose an extensive evaluation protocol on 3 video benchmarks purposed for the source-free scenario, namely Daily DA, HMDB UCF, and Sports DA. We include a number of existing methods, as well as our own selection of clip-based baselines for a fair assessment. We prove the effectiveness of our proposed method by obtaining competitive and state-of-the-art results in all proposed settings. In conclusion, we propose a simple but novel approach for source-free video domain adaptation by leveraging the complementarity of the clip-based large vision and language models and domain-specific adapters. We propose an extensive evaluation of 3 different benchmarks, comparing with existing methods, as well as a selection of clip-based baselines, obtaining state-of-the-art results. We thank you very much for the attention. Feel free to reach out at our email addresses and check out the publicly available code.